Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to set notification for different apps running on your Windows. To this end, press the Windows and I keys on your keyboard together, and that will take you to Windows settings. And being on Windows settings, click on System, Folder, and on system folder, come down to notification in the leftmost panel, notifications and actions. If I click on this, you see here the notification for different apps that are running on my computer is on the on position. I can switch off all the notification by toggling this to off position now. Now the windows will not show any notification from any app. However, if I set this to toggle it to on position and then drag down, I have different apps for whom Windows shows me notifications. So you can manually toggle off notification for different apps. For example, if I toggle off the notification for WhatsApp, now Windows will not show me any notification from WhatsApp if I receive messages or calls or anything else. The same you can do for any other app. For example, I can toggle off Outlook, so the Windows will not show any notification from Outlook app. So this way you can switch off and switch on notification in Windows 10. At the end, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Mixed, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.